In front of me is Oppo A5 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by opening an app called Theme Store and tapping on Font at the top. Fonts, sorry. Then select a perfect font for you. Click on it, choose Apply and wait. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default style, go into Wallpapers and Styles. Scroll down to hit Font. Tap on one of those and choose Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!